In this video, you are going to see how I take notes of grammar points. The length of the information can vary of different grammar points. Open up a browser and search for any grammar point along with the word grammar. It will give you websites that contains the information of that grammar point. I always go to Say Hi Korean as it is very brief and to the point. Don't need to write everything you see in the internet. You just have to write the key points. Purple sentence are the description of the grammar point. It gives you information how this grammar point works, and the box contains information about the past, present and future tense of the grammar. Example to support the previous statement, as it will help you to understand the grammar much better. Those bold writings are the information of the grammar in details, so I write them with an example. You can write more example if you want. Writing a phrase which is equivalent to the grammar meaning, but in my opinion I would say you all can write it, but don't depend on it, as sometimes it doesn't work. We need to check whether the information we wrote is correct or not. You can check it with not just one website but with multiple websites or even YouTube videos. You can even get new information which you didn't get at the first website, but don't forget to check if it's correct or not. First video. Thank you for sticking up till the end. Hope you all like the video.